Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. My name is Amanda and I make videos here on YouTube on how to scale your online business, how to sell on Amazon FBA, and how to sell on Etsy. So if you are into those type of videos, please keep on watching. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 easy ways to organize your business's finances and how to get started tackling that area of your business. If you're anything like me, you know how hard your business's finances can be, and if they are left to do their own thing, they can easily get out of control and you'll wind up pulling out all of your hair. So this video is here to help you and get your finances on the road to success. Step number 1, and the first thing that you must do, is you want to make your business a legal entity. So what that means is you'll want to file to make your business an LLC or whatever the case may be. I personally have an LLC and that's what suits my business, but every business is different, so you definitely need to look at your state's website or your country's website and see what area would suit your business and what best entity is best for you. Now, once your business is legal and you have a tax ID, you will want to go straight to the bank and make yourself a business bank account. Now, this is really, really important because when you have your personal finances and your business finances all going through your personal account, it makes things 1,000 times more confusing than if you had them separated. Because this is what I did when I first started my business. I had everything in the same account, and eventually when I did get my separate banking account, I had to go through and separate everything out. So that's natural because sometimes you don't want to start your business and get a bank account and turn it into a legal entity if you don't know if it's going to succeed or not. So when I started my business, I made sure it was a successful business, and then I went and got a legal entity because making it a legal entity, it does cost money. And the EIN is free, and the business banking account where I got it at was free as well. Now, once you have completed those 2 steps, you will want to do step number 3, which is finding an online bookkeeping service. Now, I use an account service called Wave Apps. This service is completely free and it is a lifesaver. And not to mention, it's so easy to use. I really, really, really love it. I adore it. So I go to waveapps.com and then I enter all of my banking information in, and then everything syncs to my online account. So it takes all of your information, all of your purchases, and it syncs it for you, so you don't even have to do anything else. And then once you have your accounts, your expense account set up and your deposit account set up, and everything is kind of set up the way it should be, like your expense accounts such as inventory, supplies, shipping supplies, everything like that, and you have it set up, it will automatically notice those charges and it will go into that exact account, so you don't even have to touch it. So that is what I do and I love it. Step number 4. Now, step number 4 is simply getting a system to save your receipts and save all of the information that you have printed out that has anything to do with your finances, and just organize it in a filing system. And this is the one I use right here. It's super easy. I just stick it in. I do organize it by months, so I have it all monthly planned out. Step number 5 is simply checking up on everything. You want to get this system in place, and then every month or every couple months you want to check it, make sure everything's organized, everything's going good, and you just want to make sure everything's working like it's supposed to. Now, depending on how many transactions you have, you should maybe check it more often, once a week, once every couple of weeks, but that is up to you and the needs of your business. So it's just about developing a system and what works best for you. All right, so those are all of my small business finance tips, and I